Now we have opened the box. In this box, you will see there are three different kinds of pipes. This is A, which is the longest. This is B, which is the middle one. And this is C, which is the shortest. Remember, this shortest length will be used vertically to increase the height of this folding wardrobe. Also, there are four wheels and there are plastic corner joints, and this is the fabric which we have ordered, and there is also assembly instructions which are given along with this product. Now we'll start the demo again. Now we have taken the products out from the box. As you can see, this one is the longest pipe, this one is the middle length pipe, this is the shortest pipe, these are the plastic corners, this is the fabric shelf, and this is the outer cover. This is the step 1 of assembly instructions. So you need to take the longest pipe, you need to take the middle length pipe, and you need to take the corner joint. Remember, the corner joint, the whole of the corner joint should be upwards. Now we'll do the assembly for the step 2. Kindly see the demonstration how he assembles the product. See how is the pipe is rotated onto the corner joint. This is the middle section pipe. This is again the corner which is fitted. And this is the longest pipe. So this completes the step 2. Now we are doing the step 3. We have taken a middle length pipe, two corners, and the shelf. Now the demonstration begins. We'll start with the cloth, insert it over the pipe like this, insert it till the end, and take the pipe, insert the corner. Remember, the whole of the corner is to be at the top. So now the shelf is complete. Remember, the shelf has to be tightly fitted onto the pipes, and this shelf can take a load of about 10 kg. This whole folding wardrobe can take the load of about 60 kgs. Similarly, we will start assembling the other shelves. So similarly, we have made 7 shelves. If it's a 6 shelves folding wardrobe, you need to make 7 shelves. Similarly, if it's a 5 shelves, you need to make 6 shelves. Now comes the role of the shortest pipe, which we'll be using to increase the height of the folding wardrobe. You need to take out 4 of the shortest length pipe and insert it on the top of the hole of the plastic corner joints like this, like this. Similarly for the rest of the two. Now take another shelf, put it on top. Just press it so that it fits properly. Now similarly do it for the rest of the shelves. See, the demonstrator is a bit rotating the pipe and inserting it. This ensures proper fitment into the hole of the plastic corner joint. You can also tap it a bit. Similarly, do it till the structure gets complete. Now we'll tell how to put the four wheels at the bottom of this structure. Okay. You need to rotate it 180 degree so that the bottom comes at the top. Now take the wheel and rotate a bit so that the wheel goes properly inside. This is the second wheel. This is the third. And this is the fourth. Rotate it back so that the structure gets complete. Now we'll demonstrate how to put the outer cover on this structure. This is the outer cover. This is the bottom. These threads are provided so that these can be tied at the bottom so that insects or rats cannot enter the folding wardrobe. Now this is the zipper closure. Now we'll put it on this structure. So the outer cover is put and this folding wardrobe is ready for usage. You can also see the zipper which can be opened like this. Yeah.